If you're considering getting a metal roof, but you're worried about the noise that it might make during rainy weather, keep watching this video. By the end of it, you'll know if a metal roof is noisier than a shingle roof, where the idea of a noisy metal roof comes from, and a few other ways metal compares to asphalt shingles. So is a metal roof noisier than a shingle roof? The short answer is, it depends. Metal roofs without much else, such as an open frame roof on a barn or warehouse, would be way louder than an asphalt shingle system. But with a modern metal roofing system properly installed, rain noise would be much more comparable to what we see in an asphalt shingle roof. The idea that metal roofs are noisy comes from those open frame barn roofs. For a long time, metal was primarily used for roofs in rural agricultural settings. Metal roofs are quite durable, so for these buildings that were not inhabited daily, like barns, the noise trade-off was totally worth it. Unfortunately, that noise reverberated across the country, creating a negative perception of metal roofs that lasts to this day, despite major leaps that have been made within the industry. So why would they be any better now? No longer are they just a sheet of metal nailed to a stud or a frame. Most houses have a plywood or oriented strand board roof decking that roofing materials are attached to, including shingles and metal. In the case of metal, the decking would help deaden the noise of rain. Most metal roofing systems are also installed over some kind of underlayment, whether it be an extra layer of insulation between the panels and decking, or the pre-existing shingles that the metal was installed over. All of these newer innovations and methods work in tandem to reduce the noise created by rain on a metal roof. It won't be completely silent, but it will be much closer to the noise experienced by an asphalt shingle roof. When you're comparing the cost of roofing your home with these two materials, asphalt shingles are going to be the cheaper option. While exposed fastener roofs may be competitively priced against asphalt shingles, they should not be used over heated spaces like your house, as they'll open you up to getting some serious leaks. Asphalt shingles come in at three different major price points: $8,000 to $10,000 for 3 tabs, $9,000 to $14,000 for architectural shingles, and $15,000 to $20,000 for luxury shingles for an average roof replacement. Standing seam metal roofs can get a good bit more expensive than that, usually at around $25,000 to $40,000. Similarly to how the price section is absolutely in favor of asphalt shingles, standing seam metal roofs should always last longer than an asphalt roof, even if you have some of the most expensive shingles out there. Most standing seam roofs, when installed correctly, can survive around 50 years, which is significantly longer than the best asphalt shingle roofs. This is because the metal has a coating that protects it from rust, and the system is designed so that all the fasteners are hidden underneath the metal panels. Asphalt shingles again have 3 different lifespans, with 3 tabs lasting 15 years, architecturals around 25 to 30 years, and luxury shingles surviving usually around 30 years, but sometimes more. The roof maintenance category is a much closer competition than the other two. Regardless of what kind of roof you have, you still will need to routinely clean off debris and clean out your gutters. On asphalt shingle roofs, especially 3 tabs though, you may need to have a small section of shingles replaced towards the end of the roof's life, as the sealant may wear down and wind may more easily blow up underneath the shingles. Metal roofs will still probably require some repairs and maintenance, but it won't require quite as much attention as asphalt shingles will during its functional lifetime. Now that you've learned about the noise of a metal roof and how they compare to asphalt shingles, I hope you're starting to feel more confident in taking the next steps in your roofing process. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time.